see right there. And yeah, I'll see you there. What do they have? It looks so cool. It's real. This bull is stuck. They're stuck. Oh!
Yeah, as long as you take the standard Nerf darts. He can take his out so he doesn't lose them in ours.
Okay. Look, how you guys have their own bullet?
Yeah, we have our own bullet, so you guys can keep his.
Take this out. What gun do you want to take, Cass? What gun do you want?
That one. The blue one. Do you need a receipt? I mean the red one. I mean no, blue, yeah. Blue.
Don't shoot anybody in the head or the face. It does happen sometimes. There's nothing to cry about. Don't push or shove anybody. Don't climb underneath the boxes or barriers. You'll just get beat up.
Alright, so that's the red base. Okay? The goal of the game is to take... Actually, do you want to be on their team, bud?
I want to be on this team.
Okay, go ahead. Alright.
You guys have to protect us while we go in.
further than that one. So just pop it in, pull it, shoot.
Dang! Wait, you're leaving? Huh? You're leaving? Yeah, sorry. Alright. Dang. Big gun. I gotta go.
Yeah, back up.
Yeah, you gotta hold it, let him run, yeah, shoot. Want to try it again? Or you want something different?
Something different.
Down, shoot, down. It's okay, good luck.
It's boss